Hey guys, so we are in Elkmont Village, or Elkmont Ghost Town. It's also been called Daisy Town. It's got a couple of different names, but we are going to do kind of like a vlog style walkthrough video to show you guys the progress that they have made. They started restoring these houses back in 2017 because when they were left to the park, they were kind of dilapidated, and so they've just been doing some restoration on them to make them safer for people to view. Spring all year round with the flowers.
You got some nice fake flowers in the beds. They actually have done a pretty good job. I mean, it's been going on since what, 2017 you said?
Yep.
And the last time we've came down here every year for the last 4 years, and they have made a really good bit of progress. The last couple of times we came down here, a lot of these houses were roped off completely, couldn't even get into them.
A lot of them, like those, I know for sure those.
That one right there is actually one of the oldest houses here.
Yeah,
that one right there, it was actually moved.
Yeah, they've moved
from Gatlinburg.
A good bit.
If I remember, around Gatlinburg.
I know for sure those were moved here from that they found.
Yeah, those were moved to the town back in the day. But yeah, they've been actually, painted a lot of them, and got the cool blue down there.
But this area, Elkmont Village or Daisy Town, it was in the 20s and 30s when people were wanting to get back to nature. They built these cabins out here, and people would come out here like in the summertime, kind of like early vacation homes.
Yeah, and also another thing we read is that this road we're walking on used to be made of wood, because this used to be a big logging community, like all around the Smokies and everything. So I would imagine everything was made of like all the beautiful trees that you see around here. But from what we read, this road that we're walking on used to be a giant plank, like almost like a dock, made of the wood harvested from the trees around here. And that's one of the most interesting looking ones I've seen. I'm not sure how original that is, like, but it is yeah, so it's like back in the day, it's like a little tiny home. Put that on what, that TLC show, Tiny Houses, or whatever channel it comes on.
All of these have been fully restored.
Yeah, these are completely, says even welcome visitors. This structure is open for 2 visitors. Yeah, we can walk there one real quick. I haven't been in here since they restored it.
This one we couldn't come in last time.
Yeah, we couldn't, actually. Look at that. That's early, like 40s or something. So yeah, a lot of these structures, you could tell when you walked in the floor, it felt like a trampoline, like they were just going to give. So a lot of these, they had to go in and reinforce the bottoms of the floors, and some of them even completely fell in.
Nice.
Oh wow! Yeah, whole family out here. There's you a nice little bathroom. I would have loved to have lived here, but it's been awesome. Some more of that beautiful laminate. Okay, let's try to get out of this building and go check out this one over here. This one, I don't. That one looks just so new. I don't know how new that one is. That one next door. Wish I knew the dates of all these houses, but I'm pretty sure they're all like built in the early 30s or mid 30s or so. But besides that one we pointed out earlier, those were built in the 1800s and moved here.
This one looks like it was maybe like, what are those called?
And
a duplex.
That building down here, that's the last one we're going to check out. If you guys want to check out a full detailed video of this place, like breakdown, we have that on our channel as well, so go check that out. There's a lot of history. This place is beautiful.
When they had the kind of like retreat sort of thing, this was their lodge.
this was their little clubhouse, like all the guys and like kind of like a, I guess like a golf, like what are the yacht clubs? They'd all come down here and just chill and probably smoke their cigars and watch the kids play in the creek. And I don't blame them. I would 100% still vacation here if this, you were able to do it, rent one of these places out. Man, that'd be so cool. They sit out here on this big old porch and just talk to your family and friends and just chill, get away from. Well, they weren't really like running from technology back then though. So they were. They came here even then. That's how beautiful this place is. Yeah, even from the technologies of the 30s. All the smartphones they had back then, had to get away from.
So it was in the 1920s.
1920s. And that's when they built that. So here's the original picture.
Look at all those people.
All them people just chilling.
So in 1934, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park was established, and many families retained their cabins under lifetime leases, the last of which expired in 2001. With input from the public and in cooperation with local, federal, and historic preservation agencies, the park developed a plan to restore 19 historic structures. Implementation of this plan began in 2009 and preserves the integrity of the Elkmont Historic District while protecting the rare montane alluvial forest, pristine waters of the Little River.
Let's check out this one. Oh, here's where they used to. Here's them actually on the front porch we're standing on. What you got?
The Wonderland Park Club. I guess what this was, opened in 1912.
This building right here?
Yeah.
Wow. And here's the porch we're standing on. That is crazy. Look how they used to dress. It's like looking at your old time pictures from your family, like it could be your like great grandmother, great grandfather, great. It's like that's such a long time ago. It's so cool though.
Like Johnny Appleseed in the bed.
Yeah, I got a huge beard. Place is awesome though. Yeah, could you just imagine just sitting in like one of those chairs and just chilling? How this? I mean, that was obviously roads weren't paved and everything. It's probably just absolutely beautiful, no matter what time of year you were here.
Everybody loves the Smokies.
Everybody definitely loves the Smokies. And like we said, if you guys want to check out a more structured video of this place and giving you all the information, we did that probably around last year sometime. And we'll leave that in the description of this video if you guys want to check that out. We always love coming here. It don't matter how many times we've been. We always seem to walk right back down here and check it out. So, yeah, it's our sign off. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you, guys.